Welcome to Suite 212 at 205 East 10th. The Hub, a beautiful boutique building located in one of the best neighborhoods in Vancouver. This impressive home features beautiful engineered white oak floors, 9-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and an open concept floor plan. Gourmet kitchen boasts rich, dark cabinetry, granite stone countertops that offer plenty of counter space, stainless steel appliances, and a mobile island with a butcher block top. The generously sized bedroom has ample closet space, and the den gets plenty of natural light that could be set up as an office or a nursery. This stylish suite is complete with a large in-suite storage, a Juliet balcony, designer lighting, blackout blinds, laundry, and parking. Residents at the Hub also have access to a communal rooftop deck with gorgeous views of the city and mountains. Rated with a 96 Squawk score, you have top-notch coffee shops, breweries, and restaurants at your doorstep, and you're just minutes to the seawall, Olympic Village, and the new Broadway Line SkyTrain station.